I'm very pleased with my matric results. The last 5 years have been a lot of hard work and dedication, but I'm truly thankful to St. Benedict's College, to my teachers, as well as my parents for all the support they've given me over the years. My plans for 2025 are to study actuarial sciences at either the University of Cape Town or Wits University, and eventually branch off into entrepreneurship to further my career. Some of my favorite moments in the college have definitely been my sports tours that brought about a sense of brotherhood, as well as when we put our pens down for the final time. That was the culmination of all the hard work we put in over the last 3 months. St. Benedict's has really prepared me for my life outside the college by teaching me how to manage my time effectively, by balancing my cultural activities and sports while maintaining my academics. My success is largely due to my dedication, my ambition, as well as learning to step out of my comfort zone. I'd like to thank God for the guidance He's given me over the last 5 years. Trusting in your abilities is the key to success.